If you're having trouble with the Instagram camera not working, or if you can't post Instagram stories anymore in this video, I will show you how to fix the problem in just a few easy steps. You'll be up and running again. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to learn how to fix the Instagram camera not working and Instagram stories not working. First of all, make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram application. To do that, open up your Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. And now to the right of Instagram. It will either say Open or Update. If it says Open, it means that you are currently using the latest version of the Instagram application. If it says Update, then you need to go ahead and update your Instagram application. After you updated your Instagram app, exit out of this and head over to your settings, and then scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram, and then tap on Permissions. You want to give permission for the camera, microphone, and storage. Once you do that, open up your Instagram app and it should solve your issue. If it didn't fix your problem, the next thing that you can do is head back to the settings and then scroll down and tap on Apps. And then search for Instagram. When you are on this screen, tap on Storage. Now you want to clear all of the data from the app. So go ahead and tap on Clear Data. After that, go over to the Play Store and you'll want to uninstall the app. And you'll want to download and install it again onto your device. After that, log back in and it should fix your issue. So if none of these fixes your issue, the third and final thing that you can do is tap on the search icon at the top right of the screen, and then simply search for Instagram Lite. Then install Instagram Lite onto your device, and you can use this to post stories on your Instagram profile. While the Instagram team is fixing this issue with the main app, after you install Instagram Lite onto your device, open it up and sign into your account, and you will be good to go. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.